Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railfan here, and welcome to another model railroading layout. As you can see, I'm now back in the layout, and what I have in front of me are the new rolling stocks I showed back in my previous video. So here they are, because these are all the rolling stocks, as I said, I got from the Plains Hobbies, which is a hobby store up in the Chicago area. So here they are. So I thought I'd give you a closer look what they look like outside the box, since I unboxed all of these off camera. So the first off is the Atlas Trainman CSX boxcar. So here's what it looks like. It's really cool. I always love getting CSX rolling stocks because I think their paint schemes look really great on some of their rolling stocks. So I got that, and plus I see CSX rolling stocks like boxcars quite often. So here it is. It's real cool. It's got the brake wheels, Accumate couplers. The other side here just looks very nicely detailed. And everything about this is just really cool. Wow. It's really nicely done. Even though it's like because I think Atlas Trainman is most likely budget friendly, so it's a pretty cheap rolling stock I got. It's really nicely detailed. So there's that. To that side. And here is the Walters mainline Soo-Line caboose. I believe this is my second Walters mainline caboose, because the other one I have is a Burlington Northern, so this is the second one I have. I gotta say, this is really nicely done. Wow. Very impressed with this one. And you can see the interior. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think there's any like interior inside, but anyways, it's got lots of great detail. It's free rolling wheels, Protomax couplers. It's got brake wheels on both sides. It's really cool. Look at that, it's very nicely done. And here's the underbody detail. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, this will be a perfect caboose to have since for the CP mixed rates or any CP trains I run. So I'm really glad I got this one. So yeah. And next up is this one, the CATX hopper. This is actually really nice. Now this is my second one, because the other one I have is an Ather, which I got back in St. Louis, I believe last year when I traveled for the weekend during the fall season. So you can see it's got the paw print, a cat's paw print, and all that. It's really cool. Lots of great underbody detail. Because, you know, I always love these Pullman Standard hoppers, because they're one of my favorites, because, you know, you can get them from like Ather, Walters, Atlas, and all that, or even Intermountain, Tangent, anything. But this is actually a really cool car. Really like it. And it's as you know, this is actually a car that I thought my cat would like, because I have a pet cat, and she really likes it whenever I like get any trains that seems like anything like cat themed and such as like any chassis system and all that. There's that. And last but not least is this one right here. This is the Minnesota, Dakota, and Western boxcar. So this is my second one. So this one's a little bit different compared to the other one I have, because the one I currently have is basically all in green, but this one's has white and has a green door on it. So yeah, this is actually a pretty cool car, because I have seen some of these in person before. You're normally able to find these sometimes. I think I've seen them like any railroad in particular, like KCS, BNSF, or well, CP, anything. So I thought this is actually a really nice box car, because I've seen all kinds of like interesting box cars on mixed rates, like whether it's private owned or and all that. But so yeah, so I thought I'd show you guys. Before you get into my details, the Camry couplers, wheels and all that. So basically this is actually in one of the older ones. This is in the white packaging, because I know Athearn redid their logos and redid their packaging. So this is actually one of the old, probably something. I believe this was discontinued somewhere in the 2020s until the new packaging was released. So the white packaging is actually not too bad. But I hope to get some new rolling stock in the newer packaging sometime. for the rolling stock wise. So yeah. So anyways, that's all the 4 rolling stocks with the CSX boxcar, the Sioux Line caboose, the CATX hopper, and the MD&W boxcar. So yeah. So anyways, that's gonna do for this video. So hope to look forward to doing more model railroading videos sometime soon. Like maybe because I'm looking forward to like doing some more like projects, like such as like I'm gonna be like, because I have a few locomotives that are currently down that and there needs some new motors. So but yeah, because I have a few like I have a couple after locomotives that have broken down. They need some new motors, so I'll have to order some of those. And I think I have a few other locomotives that have broken down as well that need new motors. So that's something like a little summer project I plan on doing. Now also, I will still collect some more like rolling stocks and locomotives whenever I can. So anyways, that's going to do for this video. So I'll leave you guys a little bit of a run by of these 4 rolling stocks in action. And I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day everybody.